I bought a steam cleaner and it's absolutely incredible. And I'm now just steam cleaning everything. I'll put a link to what my steam cleaner is. It's a Karcher K3. It's absolutely transformed the way that I clean stuff. It's amazing. Obviously, as soon as I start filming, a lorry pulled up outside. Yeah, this thing, incredible. It lets out like a little squirt of water to start with. However, once you've got that initial squirt of water out of the way, it just loosens everything and it comes up mint. And you're not using any chemicals as well, which is really good. So I am completely converted now to steam cleaning stuff. This gearbox casing. It smells lovely. It's always just been dead greasy and horrible. Give it a little wipe over. Oh my god, it's like new. I've done all sorts, like trying to spray this with brake cleaner and stuff like that, and it just hasn't brought it up. So I think it's the heat. I think it's the heat of the steam cleaner that makes it so good. It seems to do a really good job of decoupling. That has come up like new. I am so happy with this. Great purchase. Very, very happy. Screws. That is my next customer. That is an absolutely enormous improvement. Now I'll be able to actually look for the oil leaks and fix them. Yay. This is a mission. A saga, in fact. The saga of the Renault 16 fuel tank. I have been let down by everyone that I've tried to buy a fuel tank from. I'm just putting in a bit of fuel and then I'm going to see if it drips out the bottom. It hasn't yet. Let's put some more in. I've been let down by everyone that I've tried to source a replacement fuel tank for this from. They're just not out there. I had a company that was going to make me one, they didn't. It's just been a nightmare, complete nightmare, and I'm fed up with it. So, Dave O'Leary, thank you, really nice guy. Met him at the services on the way back from picking up some stuff with Paul the other day. So we are now going for first start in many, many months. I didn't even have to charge for that. It's a pretty good sign. It turns out I forgot the microphone was still pinned to the back of there. However, we'll redo this. Whoever rebuilt the bottom end of that engine is pretty good. It was me.